Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To upscale video quality using AI, start by choosing a reliable AI upscaling software or service. Common options include Topaz Labs, Adobe Premiere Pro, and various online platforms that specialize in AI-driven enhancements. Upload your video to the selected service, then choose your desired resolution or quality improvements. The AI analyzes your video, increasing resolution while minimizing quality loss, improving sharpness, and enhancing details. Review the results before saving or exporting your upscaled video. This process can breathe new life into lower quality footage, making it more suitable for modern displays.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.